Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed down below and more. So we did have a pretty significant bounce at a fib level, as you can see. We bounced up to 61% fib. Now, just bouncing from a fib does not prove anything for me. A break of structure after a fib bounce proves that it possibly is a real significant turn. You know, a lot of people, they'll see a fib bounce and then they'll try to trade it. But it's not just a fib bounce, it's a break of structure after the fib bounce that gets you the confidence to know that you're in a real turn. Now, this move down definitely looks like five waves, which makes me think that maybe this is going to do something like this and then go down and then go back up to make a more proper A, B, C correction. Definitely think that would make more sense. Now, I am now bullish on the yen pairs because of the JPY basket. I do think that the yen pairs are probably going to go up to about the 61 to the 78% over the next probably several months. You know, how it gets there, who knows? I mean, I think there's a good chance it's just going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows on this daily, weekly time frame to make a wave C of wave B. So if that's the case, then we definitely need to assume that any move we see to the downside on these sort of time frames is nothing more than a correction to the last wave up on the daily. It would make more sense for this to make a three-way pullback, but the yen pairs do very often make motive wave corrections. I would consider this right here to be a motive wave correction. So that means that this right here could possibly be a motive wave correction, and this thing could just make another correction and just keep on trending up. The trend is your friend, and because of the higher time frames, I would definitely be recommending longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.